Hello, today we need to shade a region on a graph for this inequality. We want to find all the points where 2x plus y is less than or equal to 6. First, let's change the inequality sign to an equal sign. This gives us a straight line. This line is called the boundary line. It's like a fence that separates two sides. Let's put x equals 0 into our equation. We get y equals 6. So our line goes through the point 0, 6 on the y-axis. Now let's put y equals 0. We get 2x equals 6, so x equals 3. Our line also goes through the point 3, 0 on the x-axis. Now we connect these 2 points with a straight line. Because our sign is less than or equal to, we draw a solid line. A solid line means points on the line are also part of the answer. Now we need to figure out which side of the line to shade. We pick a simple test point that is not on the line. The easiest point to try is 0, 0. That's the origin. Let's put x equals 0 and y equals 0 into our inequality. We get 0 is less than or equal to 6. That is true. So the side of the line that has the point 0, 0 is the side we shade. Since 0, 0 made the inequality true, we shade the whole region below the line. Every single point in that shaded area will make 2x plus y less than or equal to 6. Great job! Our final answer is a solid line through the points 0, 6 and 3, 0 with the region below the line shaded. Every point in that shaded area makes 2x plus y less than or equal to 6. You did it!